Alam mo si mommy, she says kasi what she feels, di ba? And if there's one thing and one person that I can't control, it's my mom and her mouth. Di ba? Lahat pwede kong i-control, di ba? Pero parang pagdating sa mommy ko, she has her own mind. And, up to now, we still have our differences. But I love her so much. And hindi na siya kasing feisty nung araw and uncontrollable. Pero nandyan pa rin yung paminsan-minsan. I think my mom does that pag she can't get her way. So she'll use social media. But she doesn't know, kami mga anak niya, lahat kami nagkakampi-kampihan. So wala siyang choice minsan kundi i-remove, "Hello, Mom! I know you'll be watching me." She's really feisty on the outside. Pero pagdating sa puso niya, alam ko naman she's very generous. Kung may pera si Mommy, lahat kailangan bigyan niya. Lahat bibigyan niya ng balato. And mapagmahal si Mommy. She's a very loyal friend.